Hello guys, welcome to the next tutorial of Angular on this YouTube channel Jack of JavaScript. In this tutorial, we are going to see how the switch case works in the context of Angular. Right? This switch case is common to every other language. Right? It is not dependent to any specific language, but every programming language has its own syntax. So we'll see how it works in Angular. So ngSwitchCase, you can directly search for it, and this is the authorized documentation for it. So this is ng switch case. Basically, switch case how it works is like you have a specific key. On the value of that key, you have multiple options, and it goes to that specific options. Right? It is the advanced version of if-else loop. You can say, right? In if-else, we have only two conditions, but when we have multiple values for multiple conditions, in that case, we use this switch case. So you can go through it, and this is the syntax for switch case, right? And when this value is matched, it goes to this particular element. When the value is different and it is matched to this, it goes to another. But when the values are not matched, then this is the default case and it is visible, right? When the value is not matched out of the options, right? We'll see how it works. So this is our HTML, app component.html. Let's check on localhost. See, this is the switch case, and we have hold the value in a variable that is color, right? And we have these many divs. First div is switch case with a value of red, and it represents this is a div of red color, right? Then same with orange color, blue and yellow, right? When this color holds a specific value of orange, so this div is visible out of these four divs, right? So when it is blue, so this one is visible, and same goes with yellow, right? So when this color holds any other value out of these options, like if it comes with some value of pink, but we don't have the option of pink, right? So that's why we show this default option that the color is not present. So this notation is ngSwitch default, right? So in our class, we have defined this color variable with the default value as red, right? That's why it is showing the red division, right? Now if we want to take some values from the user, so for that purpose we have set this input placeholder. In this placeholder we are taking the value from the user, like when we enter some value, so it should go inside, right? So to hold the value, we have this get value function, and the event is key up dot enter. So when we press the enter button, in that case only this function gets fired, right? So this gets called, right? So inside this we have taken the event object and access the value through target dot value section, right? So let's see how it works. So we have red by default, right? So let's enter blue. So this div is of blue color, and color entered is blue. For yellow, this div is of yellow color, right? So it directly replaces this div section because it is a structural directive, right? And blue, yellow, and what is the other option? That is orange, right? When we enter the orange, it goes for orange, right? When we enter the red, it again appears for red color. And when I enter some other color like white, so it goes to the default case, and that is this color is not present. Same goes for black, right? This color is not present. If you enter any random value, then also it goes for that default case, right? Your color entered is this value, right? So this is how the switch case works. It is very simple, and you can check the syntax, right? You have to be careful that these values should be within double quotes and then in the single quote to hold the string value. All right, so try it out. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this. Keep learning.